Have you noticed more strands in the shower drain lately? It is often a sign your follicles are starving for nutrients. Deep beneath the surface, your hair follicles are complex mini organs that require specific fuel to produce strong and healthy keratin strands. Today we are decoding the cellular menu your hair desperately needs, ranking the top 7 food groups from good to essential. We will explore how specific vitamins and minerals directly interact with cell division to stop hair loss and trigger regrowth. Starting our countdown at number 7 is a structural powerhouse, often overlooked but absolutely critical for the integrity of hair strands. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, acting as the glue that holds your entire biological structure together. As we age, our natural production declines, leading to weaker dermis layers where the hair root is firmly anchored down. To build keratin, your body needs specific amino acids like glycine and proline, which are found abundantly in collagen supplements. Consuming bone broth or hydrolyzed peptides provides the raw building blocks your body needs to manufacture new hair fiber material. Experts suggest aiming for at least 10 grams of collagen peptides daily to see a visible difference in hair thickness. A thicker dermis means the hair follicle has a deeper, more secure bed to grow from, preventing premature shedding cycles. You can easily mix tasteless collagen powder into your morning coffee or smoothie without altering the flavor of your breakfast. Beyond structure, collagen peptides also act as antioxidants, fighting damage that can weaken the hair bulb over distinct time periods. Moving to number 6, we have the zest of life found in vitamin C-rich fruits like berries and citrus. Many people do not realize that your body cannot effectively produce or utilize collagen without adequate levels of vitamin C. It acts as the essential cofactor enzyme, flipping the switch that allows your body to weave protein into hair strands. Your hair is constantly under attack from oxidative stress caused by pollution and UV rays, which accelerates the aging process. Strawberries and guavas are incredible shields, neutralizing these free radicals before they can damage the DNA within your hair follicles. Crucially, vitamin C is the key that unlocks iron absorption from plant sources, a mineral vital for carrying oxygen everywhere. Eating whole fruits is superior to supplements because of the synergistic bioflavonoids that enhance the absorption of the vitamin itself. Try to include at least one citrus fruit or a cup of berries in your daily routine for maximum benefit. At number 5, we descend into the garden for dark leafy greens, the unsung heroes of cellular oxygen transport systems. Spinach and kale are packed with iron, folate, and vitamins A and C, creating a perfect cocktail for hair growth. Iron is the vehicle that carries oxygen in your blood. Without it, your hair follicles literally suffocate and stop working. Iron deficiency is the most common nutritional cause of hair loss worldwide, especially in women of childbearing age groups. Sebum, the natural conditioner for your scalp, requires vitamin A from these greens to keep hair from becoming dry and brittle. Folate found in greens is essential for DNA synthesis and cell repair, facilitating the rapid division required for hair growth. Since hair cells are the second fastest dividing cells in the body, they are the first to suffer from shortages. Cooking these greens slightly can actually help your body absorb more of the minerals compared to eating them completely raw. Number 4 brings us the crunch of health with nuts and seeds, nature's compact capsules of potent hair nutrients. Pumpkin seeds are particularly special because they are loaded with zinc, a mineral crucial for tissue growth and repair. Zinc helps keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly, preventing both dandruff and hair loss simultaneously. Walnuts stand out as a top source of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation that might be choking your follicles. They are also rich in vitamin E, which protects the scalp from oxidative stress and significantly improves blood flow efficiency. Just a small handful of mixed nuts a day can provide a substantial portion of your daily zinc and selenium needs. Do not forget flax seeds and chia seeds, which are tiny giants when it comes to delivering plant-based healthy fats. Deficiency in these essential fatty acids often leads to dry scalp and brittle hair that snaps easily when brushed. Cracking into number 3, we have eggs, arguably nature's natural multivitamin for strong, resilient, and healthy hair growth. Eggs are famous for biotin, a B vitamin essential for the production of keratin, the protein that makes up hair. While the yolk holds the biotin, the white provides complete protein with all essential amino acids your body cannot make. Studies show that biotin deficiency causes hair loss, but eating whole eggs is more effective than taking synthetic pills. Eggs also deliver a dose of selenium and vitamin D, both of which are linked to the creation of new follicles. Vitamin D is unique because it can actually help wake up dormant follicles that have stopped producing new hair strands. 2 eggs a day can provide a significant portion of the nutrients required to keep your hair engine running smoothly. Swimming to number 2, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and herring offer profound benefits for scalp and hair health. These fish are superior sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA and EPA, which your body cannot manufacture itself. Inflammation is a silent killer of hair follicles. Omega-3s act as a fire extinguisher, calming the scalp environment down. Fatty fish also support thyroid function, which regulates the hormones that dictate the growth cycles of your hair. Hair loss is a classic symptom of thyroid imbalance, so supporting this gland with selenium-rich fish is a smart strategy. Research indicates that women taking omega-3 and antioxidant supplements experienced increased hair density and reduced telogen phase shedding. The high-quality protein in fish also contains sulfur, which is a key component for the elasticity of hair fibers. Arriving at number 1, the ultimate foundation for hair growth is high-quality protein sources like chicken and Greek yogurt. Hair is almost entirely made of protein. If you do not eat enough, hair growth is the first thing to stop. Your body is smart. It prioritizes survival organs like the heart over non-essential tissues like hair when protein is scarce. Lean meats provide the full spectrum of amino acids without the excessive saturated fats found in some red meats. Greek yogurt specifically contains vitamin B5, known as pantothenic acid, which helps prevent hair thinning and loss of pigment. It packs double the protein of regular yogurt, making it an efficient way to reach your daily intake goals. To see real growth, you must be in a protein surplus, ensuring there is enough left over for your hair. From the structural support of collagen to the building blocks of chicken, your diet dictates the destiny of your hair. Transformation does not happen overnight, but consistent nutrition creates the biological environment where hair has no choice but to grow. Remember, the hair cycle is slow. Commit to these dietary changes for at least 3 months to see visible results. Start by adding just one of these superfoods to your plate today, and your follicles will thank you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Live Well Insights for more science-backed guides to unlocking your body's full potential. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. See you in the next video. Recapping our journey, collagen peptides strengthen the dermis layer, providing a secure anchor for every single hair root. Vitamin C from fruits acts as the essential activator for collagen production and the key to absorbing plant-based iron. Dark leafy greens pump iron and folate into your system, ensuring oxygen reaches the rapidly dividing cells of your hair. Nuts and seeds deliver the zinc needed for tissue repair and the omega-3s required to reduce damaging scalp inflammation. Eggs serve as nature's perfect package of biotin and protein, fueling the keratin production machinery within your follicles. Fatty fish provide the heavy artillery of anti-inflammatory fats, protecting the scalp environment and supporting essential thyroid hormone function. And high-quality protein remains the non-negotiable foundation, providing the raw material for every strand of hair you grow. Planning your meals around these 7 pillars is the most effective natural strategy to combat thinning and shedding hair. Healthy hair is a reflection of a healthy body. What is good for your follicles is good for you. Imagine running your fingers through stronger, thicker hair 6 months from now because of the choices you make today. Do not forget hydration. Water transports all these amazing nutrients to the scalp, so keep your water intake high. Equally important is what you avoid. High sugar and processed foods increase inflammation, counteracting the benefits of these superfoods. At the cellular level, you are rebuilding your body one meal at a time, creating a masterpiece of biological health. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Intermittent, healthy eating will not trick your body into diverting resources to your hair. Consult with a healthcare provider if hair loss persists, as it can sometimes signal underlying issues beyond simple nutrition. For our plant-based viewers, lentils and tofu are excellent alternatives to meat, though you must monitor iron levels closely. Pairing this diet with stress management techniques like yoga can further reduce cortisol, which is a known hair killer. Your cells regenerate fastest while you sleep, so ensure you are getting quality rest to let these nutrients work. It is a holistic equation. Nutrient-dense food, adequate hydration, stress management, and sleep equal the vibrant hair you desire. Empower yourself with knowledge. You are not helpless against hair loss when you understand the biology of your body. The side effects of this hair growth diet include glowing skin, stronger nails, and higher energy levels throughout your day. Do not forget the foundation, collagen for structure. It is the
Notice
bedrock
increased
upon which
density
your hair
and scalp
follicles are
coverage on the
built.
right.
Remember the
This
activator,
demonstrates
vitamin C,
realistic,
to make it all
achievable
happen
results.
and to protect your cells from environmental
Yes, this meal
damage.
plan is very
Recall
well
the
balanced.
transporter,
I particularly
greens
like
to
the
bring
inclusion
oxygen to
of
the
these
site.
vegetables.
Without them,
Very good.
nutrients cannot reach the hair bowl.
These colorful
Keep in
bowls of
mind the
lentils,
repair crew,
beans, and
nuts
fresh
and seeds
tofu
for
provide
zinc and
essential
healthy
protein
fats to
and
maintain
iron,
the scalp
making them
barrier.
excellent
Do not
vegetarian
skip the
alternatives.
multivitamin. Eggs for biotin and vitamin D. They are the easiest superfood to cook daily. Prioritize the protector. Fatty fish to
Deep
fight
sleep
inflammation.
is crucial.
A calm
It is
scalp
during
is a
this
fertile
time that
ground
our
for new
bodies
hair
repair
growth.
themselves,
And finally,
allowing
the
for
building
vital
block,
cell regeneration.
high-quality protein. Never let your protein intake drop if you want to keep your hair. Your grocery store is your pharmacy. Choose wisely, and you can reverse the clock on hair thinning and loss. Preparation is key. Try meal prepping these ingredients so you are not tempted by low-nutrient options during a busy
It's
week.
not just the hair.
If you found this information
This diet
valuable,
has
please
truly
share this video with a friend
my
who might be
skin
worried about
and
their
my
hair.
energy levels.
We would love to hear from you. Which of these 7 foods is currently missing from your daily diet? Join our growing community of health enthusiasts who are taking control of their biology through smart, science-backed nutrition choices. Reducing stress is the final piece of the puzzle. Take a moment for yourself today to breathe and relax. Remember, your hair is often a barometer of your overall health. When your hair shines, your body is thriving. Just like a tree needs fertile soil to grow lush leaves, your hair needs a nutrient-rich body to flourish. Be patient with your body. It took time for the deficiency to show, and it will take time to repair. While diet is king, using gentle, sulfate-free hair products can prevent external damage while you heal from the inside. Daily scalp massages can also help physically stimulate blood flow, complementing the circulation benefits of the foods we discussed. You have the power to change your health trajectory. It starts with the very next bite of food you
To
take.
health
Thank you
and
for investing your
happiness.
time and learning about your body today.
Cheers,
Your health is the
everyone.
best investment you make. Stay tuned for our upcoming deep dive into foods that reverse skin aging, which pairs perfectly with today's hair guide. Make sure you are subscribed and have the notification bell turned on, so you never miss a vital health insight. Live Well Insights is dedicated to bringing you the most accurate, actionable health information available on the web today. Visit our channel page at the link displayed to explore our full library of health and nutrition educational videos. Here is to your health, your happiness, and your beautiful, strong hair. May you live well and thrive every day. Check out the suggested videos on your screen right now to continue your journey toward optimal health and wellness. This has been a Live Well Insights production. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video. Live Well.